Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome back here in my channel SP Leo. Friends, today in this video I am showing one of the best collection of Bata footwears with very low prices and with beautiful designs and styles which are very practical, and these are the designs which you will love to wear at different occasions like casual wear, formal wear and office wear. All these designs you will find here. So for this sake you have to keep in touch with this video so that you come to know about this beautiful, very soft, comfortable and practical collection of Bata footwears which are recently launched. Different type of sneakers you will see here. These are best for sports activities and for walk. And similarly different type of flat footwears you will see here. And this collection, adjustable straps, very soft inner sole and slip resistant sole. These are best for all age groups, especially for old age people. This is one of the best collection, and similarly for different young ladies, such type of footwears are very preferable because of their day-to-day activities. Flip-flop style is also very popular. So please keep in touch and enjoy this collection. If you are interested to buy out of this collection any one pair for yourself, then just go to our Bata outlet which is present in your city also. You can just go there and find all these pairs available there. And if you don't want to go physically there, then you can order from online also, because this is one of the preferable method to do shopping. Link I have dropped in the description box from where you can easily go there. So if you like this collection, please thumbs up for this video, and you can also share it with your friends and family members. And similarly, if you are new here in my channel, please subscribe S Video channel for making connection with S Video channel, and please don't forget to hit the like button and pressing and hitting your bell icon too, because that is the way through which you can get a notification of every new upload easily. Friends, if you want to ask anything about this collection or anything what you want to next see in my channel, then use comment section for that, and just drop your valuable comment over there. And I must say thank you to all my those viewers who love to see my collections and appreciate all those videos. So please keep in touch with this video channel, because always I try my level best to bring updated collections and according to your taste, different type of designs of footwears and dress designing. Here you see different style of footwears where flat footwears are prominent. Similarly, flip-flop style and vest style, low heel style is also here, which is preferable by all age group people. Some kind of low heels are also here in this collection, so I'm sure that you will love to see, and you are enjoying this collection. And if you are a Bata lover, and if you love to wear Bata footwear, so this is one of the best collection for yourself, through which you can come to know about different designs and styles and colors of these footwears which are launched by Bata, but at very low prices, because if we are here to discuss the prices, so these all are available under 2000 rupees, mean to say that starting from 500 and till 2000 rupees different pairs are available. So I think this is a reasonable price, and you can enjoy this durable collection of Bata. Which is your favorite brand of footwears, you can also mention. So friends, thank you so much for watching this video, and keep in touch, stay at home and stay safe, take care of yourself till the next collection. Allah Hafiz.